biting might seem like an aggressive act, but in the world of cats, not all bites are created equal. There's a significant difference between a cat biting out of fear or aggression and what many cat owners affectionately term love bites. Love bites are those gentle nibbles or soft bites your cat might give you during moments of affection or play. In the wild, kittens might playfully bite their siblings. It's a form of social interaction, a way to bond and communicate. When they give you these soft bites, they're extending this form of playful communication to you.